Hello everybody, welcome back. Hello, happy new year. It's 2024 baby, it's 2024. So hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all had an amazing Christmas and a happy new bloody year. If you can hear a fan, that is because I'm currently sitting in my living room floor, but if you can hear a fan, that is because I've got my little fan fire on, because it's freezing and I don't want to whack my heating up yet because I've not fully moved in here yet. So I don't want to whack the heating up really high, so just thought I'd sit by my lovely fan heater. Oh, so much lovely heat comes out of that, it's actually divine, but my mum told me I shouldn't have it on for too long because it's gonna rack the bills up. Anyway, as you can see by today's title, we have got another amazing unboxing, and this is kindly gifted to me from coeebags. You guys know I work with them quite a bit and I do absolutely love them. For my dupes, it's always coeebags, girls. Honestly, I cannot recommend them enough. They are unbelievable. The quality is insane, the communication is amazing, and the shipping is really fast. So we can obviously understand and see from the title what today's video is. So it is a gorgeous Chanel bag, girls. I got myself a Chanel. It comes with all of the jazz that you need. It does come with this gorgeous Chanel printed ribbon. I don't know where this is meant to go, but anywho, it comes with a Chanel printed ribbon in the box. So it comes all packaged. So you get the bag. You do also get a little sticker flower. Where's it gone? You do get the little sticker flower. Now I had this stuck on the bag, and then I thought, wait, is it meant to stick on the box? I wasn't sure, so then I picked it off, but I don't know where it's meant to go. So we've stuck it on the bag. I also stuck it on the box. That is why there is a little bit there. But welcome to my unboxing. Now, I almost got this in a 20 centimetre, and I'm so glad that I got it in the 23. However, I do wish I got it in the 25. So it depends how small you like your bags. I do like a small bag. However, I felt with a Chanel I wanted it to be slightly bigger. But to be fair, I am very happy with this size. It's not too big, not too small. So inside your box, girls, you do of course have your dust bag, and then you've also got all of your kind of just like the slips, the basic stuff that it comes with, the postals, the receipt as you like, and all of that. And then it also comes with a little Chanel authentication card, and then a little booklet with some more writing on. And then the most important bit is the bag itself. So obviously it comes with a dust bag. Now it does come all completely packaged up, but I have obviously taken the packaging off. I unwrapped this so fast, it was literally Christmas. So I went for the lambskin, and I think there is I think you can get like a croc kind of print, but I went for the smooth, which was the lambskin. So here it is. I went for black, which is a classic, and I went for gold hardware because you guys know I'm a gold hardware girl. All my jewellery I wear is gold. I am a gold girl, so I went for the gold. And this is her here. I have still got this little tag on it, but I will take that off. But this is her. She is cute. You've got the little pocket on the back, and then the gold hard wearing details. Obviously it is all burgundy inside. I don't know if you guys know Chanel, but they do all have a burgundy inside. So to access it, you literally twist the little knob and it opens up like so. You've got the inside zip. This is like a really small little pocket, just here. So you've got that little pocket, which is tiny. And then this pocket here as well. I don't know if you really can see it. It's not really letting me pull, but there is a pocket there just that you can slip, like, I don't know, something that you need to access quite a lot could go in that bit. And then you have this under the popper, which is the Chanel classic inside print, which is unreal. Quality is absolutely amazing. Your big front pocket here. Then you have your inside. It's really hard for me to show your inside, and then you do also have 2 little pockets there, and that is pretty much the bag. You've got the detailing of the like embossed Chanel around that. You've also got the Chanel Paris on there. The quality is insane, and I mean, I don't know anyone with a real Chanel to actually compare. But by just going off what this looks like, it looks pretty good to me. It's an amazing quality bag, and yeah, it's just absolutely stunning. I don't think it's not too small, girls, but you know, when I just thought I might want it a little bit bigger. To be fair, no, that is a very, very cute size for this bag. It's bigger than a lot of my other bags, but it's also small enough to wear on the shoulder, and also small enough that I can wear it crossbody. So you can obviously make the straps longer, or see, it's not too big if it was a crossbody bag as well, which I do like, because I do wear a lot of crossbody bags. I don't know about anyone else, but I'm a crossbody bag girl. Always wearing a crossbody bag. I very rarely actually wear a bag on my shoulder, so it'll be interesting to see how I do style this. I am yet to wear her out. We'll be wearing her out soon, and I'll be styling her up. No doubt I'll probably film a lot of TikTok styling her, but I am just in the middle of getting my whole wardrobe done, and she is going to be displayed, and I cannot wait to just have all of my nice bags. Don't get me wrong, I've got replica and I do have real. I've got a happy medium. Yeah, I'm quite excited to have them all displayed, and along with my trainers and all of that jazz, and just a nice dressing room. But yeah, I'm so over the moon with this bag. I cannot wait to style it up and use it. Really, really excited. So thanks again so much to coeebags. I absolutely love them, guys. We have got a really, really good little working relationship going, and I really, really love them. I cannot recommend them enough. They're honestly amazing. I think they do give me a 15% off discount code. I think it's 15. I will leave it all in the comments. No, I won't. I will leave it all in the description. Please do check them out. They've got so many different brands, so many different items on there. I have got a fair few things from them now, and I really, really do recommend. The quality is 10 out of 10, and I do find a lot of these people that you find on Instagram that do the replicas, I feel like they add money on top, because they obviously need to make money. They obviously find a supplier, find a customer, sell something, but add money on top so they get a profit. So I do feel like definitely check these people out first. Honestly, I can't recommend them enough. I'm going to leave everything you need to know in the description, girls. If you've got any questions, please do just pop them down below and I will answer them for you. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this little video, a little unboxing. Super, super excited, super happy, and I absolutely love my new little bag. I cannot wait to wear her out. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, especially if you are maybe looking to treat yourself to something a little bit luxury for less, then definitely check them out. Like I say, they are still, the price points on these bags are still in the hundreds, but they are just nothing compared to what you would pay. So I'm not too sure how much the Chanel is. I think it must be like 160 something maybe, whereas if you were to get a real Chanel, I believe they are well into the thousands. I haven't actually even looked, can't say I have even looked, because I just know that it's a little bit out of my price range. But yeah, definitely check them out. I'm going to leave everything you need to know below, and I will see you all for my next video. Also, guys, do let me know, what do you want to see from me? Do you want to see more vlogs? Do you want to see Q&As? Do you want to see hauls? Do you want to see, what do you want to see? I feel like I haven't done YouTube in so long now, and I just need to get back to it. I need to get back in the swing of it. So let me know, what would you like to see from me? I mean, January is a quiet month for me, so I'm kind of taking time to just go back to my roots. I'm going to go back to the gym, I'm going to go back to YouTube, I'm just going to be doing things for myself. So YouTube has definitely taken a priority, and it is definitely up there with something that I really want to get back into. So do let me know anything you want to see from me, guys. Please do leave it in the comments, and yeah, then expect to see it on my channel very, very soon. Anyway, I hope you all had an amazing new year, and I will see you all soon. Take care. Hopefully it's not too long until I'm back on here, but thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, follow me over on Instagram and on TikTok, and I'll see you on my next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.